I know we have a lot of important things that we have to do when we are far apart from each other, but long distance relationship is not something easy, and it takes some guts, it takes some sacrifice for you to be in one. People have different reasons, or they have different opinions about it. Personally, I have been in long distance relationship, both dating and both married for almost 5 years right now, and I'm going to be sharing with you some of the tips that helped me through, or some of the tips that is working for me. My long distance relationship has been good, and if you are new to this long distance relationship, this video is for you. Communicate every day. Communicate every day. We have technology nowadays, and you can communicate in various ways. We have video calls, we have text, we have voice call, a lot of ways, and we have different medias you can use to communicate. We have WhatsApp, we have Facebook, we have Messenger, Skype. So there's no excuse for you to be in a long distance relationship and not communicate. Make sure you begin your day with them. And I know you're not going to have time to video call all the time, because your partner maybe is working at that time, you're working at this time, and you guys have to schedule for a video call. So we have texts. Make sure you text your partner a good morning text when you wake up, to make sure you're thinking of them before you wake up, and end your day with them. Just text a good night, to make sure you're thinking of them when you're sleeping or after you're done with your day. And if you don't have anything to say and you guys are in a video call, you can just watch each other do the things, which is not bad. Make them a priority. I know we have a lot of important things that we have to do when we are far apart from each other, but this is the person whom you're going to be together with forever. This is the person whom you're going to live together. This is the person whom your future is with, and it's not bad to cancel plans. I have canceled plans for us to talk if there's something coming up, and it's not bad. It's the little gestures, it's the little thing that you do that makes your partner feel important, and that is going to make your long distance relationship last. So make sure you make time for your partner. Sometimes I prefer hanging out with my husband on a video call than hanging out with friends, because I can hang out with friends anytime, or we can hang out with friends like almost all the time, but my husband is over there. We have time differences, and this is the only time that we have together. This is the only time that he is free, I am free. Why not use that time? That tip is make plans for date night. This is just like any other relationship. This is just like people who are living together, or people who are close together and are in a relationship, and they still take each other on date. You can still do the same. You can have virtual dates, and it doesn't have to be a fancy restaurant, or it doesn't have to be in a restaurant for you to go on a date, or for you to have a date night. You can have game date night, you can watch movies together, you can just clean together, just be there for each other. That is going to make your relationship feel more normal. Already the word long distance is already making it feel abnormal from other relationships. So please think about date nights for it to be a little bit more normal. Be exclusive. Do not put yourself in a long distance relationship if you know you're going to be dating around, if you know you're going to be sleeping around. No, you love this person, you're with this person, you're dating this person. Be exclusive to them, and it starts with being honest with yourself. If you were honest with yourself from the word go, and you knew, I don't think I can survive long distance relationship, then you shouldn't be in one. Is your relationship worth fighting for? Is your relationship worth that distance? And that is going to help you cope up with that. You can have friends who are in a relationship and they're with their partners around, and you might feel sad that they are together, that they're doing things together and stuff, and be tempted to go date someone. No, don't do that. And it's gonna be hard the first time, but once you're used to being in a long distance relationship like me, it's so easy. It's so easy. I know it's hard, but still it's easy than the first time. So the fifth tip is make plans to see each other. And this applies before you guys are in a long distance relationship. You knew for how long you guys are going to be in a long distance relationship. Why are you in a long distance relationship if you're not planning on seeing each other? Why are you even dating? Are you guys going to have children some days? Are you guys going to get married, or are you guys going to live together someday? If so, into our next point, communicate your expectations. You expect your partner to do such things, or you expect your partners to behave in a certain ways. Communicate. You're gonna get stressed, you're gonna get depressed if you don't communicate your expectations. Tell them, I want you to do this and this, I expect this and this from you, I expect this and this from our relationship, and that is going to help your relationship last. Or else, if you don't communicate, you're gonna fight a lot, and nobody wants to be in a relationship where they're fighting 24/7. Honestly, that is not a healthy relationship. Well, couples fight, people fight in a relationship, it's healthy sometimes, but fighting all the time because you did not communicate. And we all know communication is a barrier. That is the thing that is always going to be the end of most relationship, whether it's long distance, whether it's friendship, whether it's just any other relationship. Communication. If you fail in communication, your relationship is going to fail. It's actually an extra tip for you guys. Do not take in all the opinions. We have negative and positive opinions, so you can listen to whatever word someone says, be it positive, be it negative, and you are the one who is to choose what you want to take in, because whatever you take in, it's going to affect you. So if you take in the positive, it's going to affect you positively. If you take in the negative, it's going to affect you negatively. So some people who are not in a long distance relationship can tend or just say some stuff that they don't mean to hurt you, or they don't mean to say it negatively, just say it, but it's going to make an impact in you if you think about it too much, or if you take in, for instance, if someone say your partner is probably cheating, your partner is probably dating, your partner is probably married, your partner is probably having a child, blah 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 blah, a lot of things. So you choose what to take in, and so I'll personally advise you to take the positive ones, because it's not that they're trying to discourage you from being in a long distance relationship. It's just for them, they can't be in a long distance relationship because of those reasons, and they're trying to tell you we are different. We are different. I know you can't be in a long distance relationship because because of this and this and this and this, but I can be. We are not the same. So keep your opinion to yourself. That is the end of our video, guys. I hope some of these tips is gonna help you. And remember, long distance relationship is like any other relationship, though it's hard. But it's like any other relationship, and hold on there, you got this, you're gonna get through this, and use this as an opportunity for you and your partner to connect emotionally. Use this to grow alone. Use this to have or to enjoy all other things that you want to do when you're alone. If you're currently in a long distance relationship, comment down below the tips that is helping you, or you already closed the long distance relationship, comment down below the tips that helped you get through this, or that helped your relationship survive. And if you're not subscribed to this YouTube channel, please do so, share, like. And for my subscribers, thank you. For my returning subscribers, thank you for your love and support. Bye guys.